Join us for Lok Sewa Aayog exam preparation, over 50,000 questions and their answers with appropriate reasons and solutions.
Question number 1. A process of buying goods and services via a mobile phone is called A. M-commerce, B. Computer animation, C. Multimedia, D. No one. And the correct answer is A. M-commerce.
Because M-commerce, mobile commerce, refers to the buying and selling of goods and services through wireless devices like mobile phones. It is a subset of e-commerce that specifically deals with mobile transactions. Where B, computer animation. This option is incorrect because computer animation refers to the creation of moving images using computers, not transactions or purchasing. Multimedia, this option is incorrect because multimedia involves the use of text, audio, and visual content, not a process for buying goods and services. This option is incorrect as M-commerce is the correct term.
Question number 2. A process of performing financial business transactions over the internet is called A. M-commerce, B. E-commerce, C. Multimedia, D. None. And the correct answer is B. E-commerce.
Because e-commerce involves buying and selling goods and services over the internet, and it includes activities like financial transactions, online shopping, and electronic payments. Where A. M-commerce. This option is incorrect because M-commerce is specifically for transactions performed via mobile devices, not all internet-based transactions. C. Multimedia. This option is incorrect because multimedia involves content like text, audio, video, and images, but not business transactions. D. None. This option is incorrect as e-commerce is the correct term.
Question number 3. What is the difference between the hardware and software? A. Hardware is tangible but software is intangible. B. Hardware is metal but software is plastics. C. Hardware is permanent but software is temporary. D. Hardware is reliable but software is unreliable. And the correct answer is A. Hardware is tangible but software is intangible.
Because hardware refers to the physical components of a computer, such as the CPU, monitor, and keyboard, which can be touched. Software, on the other hand, consists of programs and data that are intangible and cannot be physically touched. Where CUB, hardware is metal, but software is plastics. This option is incorrect because hardware includes a variety of materials, not just metal, and software isn't made of plastics. So C, hardware is permanent, but software is temporary. This option is incorrect because both hardware and software can be upgraded, replaced, or modified. D, hardware is reliable, but software is unreliable. This option is incorrect because software can be reliable, and reliability depends on the design and maintenance of both hardware and software.
Question number 4. Hardware is best described as A. Physical parts, B. Printed copy file, C. A program, D. Logical part. And the correct answer is A. Physical parts.
Because hardware refers to the physical components of a computer, such as the CPU, memory, and storage devices. These are tangible and can be physically touched. Where B. Printed copy file. This option is incorrect because a printed copy is not hardware. It is a result of using hardware. C. A program. This option is incorrect because a program is software, not hardware. D. Logical part. This option is incorrect because hardware refers to physical components, not abstract or logical parts.
Question number 5. Which of the following is not a category of computer hardware components? A. Input devices. B. Printing devices. C. Processors. D. Secondary storage devices. And the correct answer is B. Printing devices.
Because printing devices are peripherals used to output data but are not considered a primary category of computer hardware. The main categories of hardware are input, output, processors, and storage devices. Where A. Input devices. This option is incorrect because input devices are a primary category of hardware used to provide data to the computer, e.g., keyboard, mouse. C. Processors. This option is incorrect because processors are core components of hardware, responsible for executing instructions. D. Secondary storage devices. This option is incorrect because secondary storage devices like hard drives and SSDs are key categories of computer hardware.
Question number 6. Computer is a combination of A. Software. B. Hardware. C. Both A and B. D. None. And the correct answer is C. Both A and B.
Because a computer is a combination of hardware, physical components, and software, programs that run on the hardware. Both are necessary for a computer to function. Where A. Software. This option is incorrect because software alone does not form a complete computer system. Hardware is also needed. B. Hardware. This option is incorrect because hardware alone is not enough to make a complete computer system. Software is also required. D. This option is incorrect because the correct answer is both hardware and software.
Question number 7. Which hardware components are usually found inside the system unit? A. The processor, main memory, and monitor. B. The processor, main memory, and secondary memory. C. First, second, and third memory. D. The keyboard, the disks, and the memory. And the correct answer is B. The processor, main memory, and secondary memory.
Because the system unit typically contains the processor, CPU, main memory, RAM, and secondary memory, like hard drives or SSDs. These are the core components inside the unit, where A. The processor, main memory, and monitor. This option is incorrect because the monitor is an external device, not part of the system unit. C. First, second, and third memory. This option is incorrect as it doesn't accurately describe the components of the system unit. D. The keyboard, the disks, and the memory. This option is incorrect because the keyboard and disks are peripherals, not internal components of the system unit.
Question number 8. The piece of the hardware that permanently holds data and program is called A. Primary storage. B. CPU. C. Secondary storage. D. Output. And the correct answer is C. Secondary storage.
Because secondary storage, like hard drives and SSDs, is used to permanently store data and programs. It holds information even when the computer is powered off. Where A. Primary storage. This option is incorrect because primary storage, RAM, is temporary and holds data only while the computer is running. B. CPU. This option is incorrect because the CPU is responsible for processing data, not storing it permanently. D. Output. This option is incorrect because output refers to the devices that display or produce results, not data storage.
Question number 9. The modern revolution in information technology can be termed as A. Computer revolution. B. Information revolution. C. Communication revolution. D. All. And the correct answer is B. Information revolution.
Because the modern revolution in information technology is often called the information revolution, as it involves the rapid advancement and widespread use of digital data, computing, and communication technologies. Where A. Computer revolution. This option is incorrect because the revolution involves more than just computers. It also includes data processing, networking, and software advancements. C. Communication revolution. This option is incorrect because while communication is part of the revolution, it's not the full scope. The revolution includes information technology as a whole. All. This option is incorrect because the term information revolution is more specific and comprehensive.
Question number 10. The computing and communication technologies are combined together for A. Data sequencing. B. Data routing. C. Searching data. D. Data communication. And the correct answer is D. Data communication.
Because data communication involves the transmission of data between devices using both computing, processing, and communication transmitting technologies. It enables devices to share information over networks. Where A. Data sequencing. This option is incorrect because data sequencing refers to arranging data in a particular order, not its communication. B. Data routing. This option is incorrect because data routing refers to directing data to the correct destination, not the overall communication process. Searching data. This option is incorrect because searching data refers to looking for data, not the communication of data.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel to continue learning and preparation.